Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions. Today is Sunday. It is Renew Your Spirit Day. I am FlyLady Kat here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and help you to learn how to finally love yourself. So it is Renew Our Spirit Day. We're going to get up this morning and do our morning routine. After the routine, we're going to put our children through their routines. Remember, the routine takes care of the bathroom, the bed, yourself, your body, your clothes, the kitchen, the dishes, and maybe a little coffee, tea, or breakfast. And then once you're done, then it's time to handle the children. Put them through their morning routine, get everybody ready for church, have breakfast, and then you can leave and you'll be fine for the day. When you get home, we only have a 2-layer cake. So besides the basic weekly plan of Renew Your Spirit, you just have some limited routines today. The morning routine we've already handled. Then we're going to have an after dinner routine. So after you have your nice dinner, make some memories, make it fun, clean the kitchen together. There's a saying from the Sidetracked Home Executives, Pam Young, and that's make it fun and it will get done. So make it fun. And then after that, we're going to do our before bed routine tonight. So let's talk about that. The before bed routine, get out your planner, because on Sunday I want you to take some time in the quiet of the evening or the afternoon and plan out the coming week so far. So we're going to put down what happens every day. What basic weekly plan day is it from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? What I mean by that is it your free day? Is it your Renew Your Spirit Day? Is it family fun day? Is it car and purse day? What day is it? Write it down. And then the zone we're in this week is going to be zone number 5, the living room. So you can pick 4 days that you're going to do that. Make sure you have a free day. And the other thing, weekly home blessing is one of those basic weekly plan items. Yeah. And then the other thing we're going to do is plan out, what doctor's appointments do you have? What other kinds of commitments do you have? Make sure that's in there. Do you have vacation Bible school? What's up? Make sure it's in there. And also your meals, whatever meals you've planned out so far. You may only have till Tuesday of this week, maybe Wednesday. Maybe you have some things that you didn't make this last week that can go into Thursday or Friday. So have your menu down there so you know what to make for the rest of the week. And any other things that you want to have in there. So you're going to write it down, then you're going to check it. Check it for yourself. What time do I have to get up in the morning? What time do I need to go to bed tonight? Okay, put the kids through their evening routine. You've had a nice restful day, so you can do yours last. You shouldn't be too tired. But you might be, so if you are, do yours first. It's okay. But here's the things you're going to do. You're going to get in there and take a shower or a bath if you take them at night. My recommendation, however, not a law. Wash your hair or brush the day out of it. Clean your face, put your jewelry away, put on your pajamas, put your clothes away if they're still clean. If they're not, put them in the wash. You've already checked your planner. Now you're going to go and look in the kitchen and see that all the dishes have been taken care of, either hand washed or put in the dishwasher. If it's a dishwasher, make sure there's soap in it. And if it's time for bed, turn it on. Close all the curtains and blinds. Turn off the lights. Get in your bed, settle in. You've got 7 to 8 hours to rest and renew your body. And then tomorrow morning we'll start it all over again. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. And always remember that you are beautiful,